Good day, viewers. You are welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at simultaneous linear equation, and we'll be looking at substitution and elimination method. Substitution and elimination method. Yes, and we have a typical example here. Solve the equation x plus 3y equal to 8. That is equation 1. X plus 2y equal to 5. That is equation 2. Now we want to start with substitution method. We use substitution method to solve this question. At the same time, we use elimination to solve the same question. Now, using substitution method first. And we have the equation to be x plus 3y equal to 8. That is equation 1. Then x plus 2y equal to 5. 2. Now from equation 2, we can substitute x as from equation 2. Our x is equal to 5 minus 2y. Our x is equal to 5 minus 2y. We now substitute x as 5 minus 2y in equation 1. In equation 1. So what do we have in equation 1? In equation 1 we have it as x plus 3y equal to 8. That's what we have in equation 1. Now if we substitute x as 5, that means we have it as 5 minus 2y into bracket plus 3y equal to 8. So if we open the bracket, we are going to have 5 minus 2y plus 3y equal to 8. That means we are going to have it as 3y minus 2y, the arrangement of this is the same thing as this, equal to 8 minus 3. And if we have it as 8 minus 3, 3y minus 2y will give us y, which is equal to 8 minus 3, 8 minus 5 rather. Here is 5. 8 minus 5, because it is positive here. Once it crosses this equal to sign, it becomes a negative. So that means y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. Now we now substitute y as 3 in equation 2. What do we have in equation 2? We have it as x plus 2y equal to 5. So anywhere we see y, we represent it as 3. Then we have it as x plus 2 into bracket 3 equal to 5. So that means we have it as x plus 2 multiplied by 3 will give us 6 equal to 5. And that shows that x is equal to 5 minus 6. Our x is equal to, 5 here is positive, here is negative. It's like when you say you have 5 naira and you are owing 6 naira. So if you pay your 5 naira from your money, you will still be owing 1. So our answer, x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 3. So our final answer are x equal to minus 1, y equal to 3. So that is using substitution method to solve simultaneous linear equation. Now, in that same example, we want to solve the same problem using elimination method. Using elimination method. In elimination method, one variable will be eliminated. One variable will be eliminated. And what do I mean by that? Let's write the equation. We have x plus 3y equal to 8. That is equation 1. Then x plus 2y equal to 5. That is equation 2. Now, if we have equation like this, we have addition here. And we have the same variable here. What you just say when you look at this is to subtract equation 2 from 1. That is smallest from the biggest. Subtract equation 2 from 1. So we write the equation. Write the same equation. We want to subtract. Put your. Now, that is the meaning of subtract equation 2 from 1. So x from x will give us 0. So that means that variable is eliminated already. Now, if we subtract 2y from 3y, that is the interpretation of this is 3y minus 2y. So that is the interpretation. 3y minus, we are subtracting 2y, which is in equation 2, from 3y, which is in equation 1. So we are left with y here, which is equal to, here it means we are subtracting 5 from 8. If we subtract 5 from 8, we are having 3. So our y is 3 here. We now substitute y as 3. In any of the equation, let's use equation 1. In equation 1. So if you substitute y as 3 in any of the equation, you still get the same answer. So what do we have in equation 1? X plus 3y equal to 8. So that means we are having it as x plus 3 into bracket 3, which is equal to 8. So that means we are having it as x plus 3 times 3 will give us 9, which is equal to 8. Our x is equal to 8 minus 9. So our x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, our x is equal to minus 1 and y equals to 3. So that is final answer to this using elimination method. Using elimination method. So that is the final answer. Our x is equal to minus 1 and our y is equal to. Now here is another example. Here we are having fractions. And we want to use both substitution and elimination method to solve this problem. We are having x over 2 plus y over 2 equals to 3 over 1 over 2, which is equation 1. And equation 2, x over 4 minus y over 4 is equal to 3 over 3 over 4. I want to solve this simultaneously. The first thing to do is to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So that means we're having it as x over 2 plus y over 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 will give us 6 plus 1, that will be 7 over 2. That is equation 1. Then the second one is x over 4 minus y over 4, which is equal to 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 will give us 15 over 4. That is equation 2. Now, the second step is to clear these fractions from each of the equation. Clear the fractions. And how do we clear the fraction? We find the LCM and multiply all through by the LCM. The LCM of the first equation is 2. So we multiply all through by 2, which is the LCM. By x over 2 plus 2 multiplied by y over 2, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 7 over 2. This one will eliminate this will eliminate this will cancel this. So 1 times x will give us x plus 1 times y will give us y, which is equal to 7. And that is equation 1a. We have it as equation 1a because it is obtained from the first equation. Now in the second one we have it as x over 4 minus y over 4, which is equal to 15 over 4. So we multiply all through also by the LCM. And what is the LCM? The LCM is 4. So that means we are going to multiply by 4. 4 multiplied by x over 4 minus 4 multiplied by y over 4 equal to 4 multiplied by 15 over 4. This one will eliminate this will cancel this will cancel this. 1 times x, that is our x, minus 1 times y is y, which is equal to 15, equation 2a. Now, the two equations that we have now are x plus y equal to 7, equation 1a, x minus y equal to 15, equation 2a. And we want to solve this using substitution method. Let's say from equation 1. From equation 1a, our x is equal to 7 minus y. So we now substitute x as 7 minus y in equation 2a. So what do we have in equation 2a? We have that x minus y equal to 15. So that means we are going to have that 7 minus y equal to 15. So that means we are having that 7 minus y equal to 15. So here minus y will give us minus 2y. That will be 7 minus 2y equal to 15. So that means that minus 2y is equal to 15 minus 7. So minus 2y is equal to 8. We now divide both sides by minus 2. This one will cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 here 4, and the minus. So that means we're having our y is equal to minus 4. We now substitute y as minus 4 in any of the equation. Let's use, I think we have used equation 2. Let's use equation 1. In equation 1, we have it as x plus y equal to 7. That is in equation 1a. So what do we have as our y? That will be x minus plus minus 4 equal to 7. So that means we have as x plus times minus will give us what? Minus 4 equal to 7. Our x is equal to 7. When this becomes plus 4, our x is equal to 11. X is equal to 11. So that is it for substitution method. Now for elimination method, already we know our equation 1a, so we don't need to go back. Right? Our equation 1a, that is x plus y equal to 7. That is equation 1a. Then x minus 7 minus y equal to 15. That is equation 2a. Here we want to eliminate one variable. We want to eliminate one variable. If we say subtract equation 1 from 2, if we say subtract equation 1 from 2, that means we are saying that x minus x will give us 0. And when you say minus y minus plus y will give us, so the meaning of this, you're saying subtract. And if you say add equation 1 and 2, add equation 1 and 2, one variable 2 will be eliminated. So if you say add equation 1 and 2, that means we are going to have that x plus s, that will be 2s. Then if we have it as 2s, that is, if you say add equation 1 and 2, add equation, so that to get x first, add equation 1a and 2a. So the interpretation of that is x plus y, which is equal to 7, x minus y, which is equal to 15. This one is equation 1a, and this is equation 2a. The interpretation of that is this. If we add from here, 15 plus 7, 15 plus 7, what will it give us? It will give us 22. It will give us 22. Then, the interpretation of this, remember we are adding, is minus y, we are adding equation 1 and 2. That will be y plus minus y. That is interpretation. So that means that this y plus minus y, it means y plus and minus, that is minus y. Y minus y will be eliminated. So that is the meaning. So y will go this and this. So here we are left with our x. X plus s will give us 2x, which is equal to 22. So what do we do now? We say divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. This one will cancel this. Here 1. 2 in 22, that is 11. Our x here is equal to 11. Our x here is equal to 11. Our x is equal to 11. Now you will now say, substitute to get your y, substitute x as 11 in any of the equation. Let's use equation 1a, in equation 1a. So what do we have in equation 1a? We have as x plus y equal to 7. That is our equation 1a. So anywhere we see 11, anywhere we see x, we represent as 11. That would be 11 plus y equal to 7. So that means that y is equal to 7. Here is positive. it becomes negative, minus 11. Our y is equal to 7 minus 11. It will give us minus 4. So our y is equal to minus 4 and our s is equal to 11. Our s is equal to 11.